All right, 8th graders, solving multi-step equations number 1. Let's get started on question number 1. All right, on this question, you've got to find some like terms here. So I'm actually going to start by writing the equation down over here. I've got 5a plus 8 plus 9 plus parenthesis negative 2a equals negative 7. All right, so I know that the combine like terms, I've got 5a and negative 2a. When I combine those two terms, 5a, negative 2a, it gives me 3a, because you're just doing 5a's minus 2a's. So 3a, and then I can also combine the these terms, the positive 8 and the positive 9. When I add together positive 8 plus 9, I get 17. So that is 3a plus 17 equals negative 7. All right, the next step I am going to do is get rid of the 17. So I'll subtract 17 from both sides. And when I do that, we are doing negative 7 minus 17. So that should give us negative 24, I believe. So on the right side, negative 24. On the left side, 3a. Last step to get a all by itself is to divide by 3. Divide by 3. Over here, dividing by 3 gives me 1, and I end up with a equals negative 24 divided by 3 is negative 8. All right, just like it always asks, we're going to check our work over here. I'm just going to draw this to say like, checking my work over there. Okay. So instead of 5a plus 8 plus 9 plus negative 2a, that would be 5 times negative 8, because I'm replacing it with my answer, plus 8 plus 9 plus negative 2 times negative 8 equals negative 7. Okay, so now I'm actually going to type this all in and see what we get on the Desmos calculator. So if I've got 5 times, times negative 8 plus 8 plus 9 plus negative 2 times negative 8, what do I get? Well, over here it's kind of hard to see, but over here it says negative 7. That's correct. So I actually did my work correctly. I can say that this side is negative 7 and this side is negative 7, and my answer is definitely a equals negative 8. So my answer over here, negative 8, you can't type x, it won't let you type in letters. All right, so next let's do one more problem. I'm actually going to slide down to problem number 8. All right, on problem number 8, let's begin. I'll write it down. I've got negative 2x minus 5 divided by 3 equals 3. Now, the first thing that I want to do when I solve this thing is get rid of this 3 on the bottom, because then I can access those numbers and subtraction and stuff on the top. So to undo dividing by 3, I multiply by 3 on both sides. And that's something you might have to do on a couple of these problems. So on the left, I still have negative 2x minus 5. On the right, 3 times 3 is 9. All right, my next step, to undo subtracting 5, I'm going to add 5 on both sides of the equal sign. So I have negative 2x on the left, and then 9 plus 5 is 14. All right, our very last step, how do we undo multiplying by negative 2? Well, the inverse operation of multiplying is dividing, so I'm going to divide by negative 2 on both sides. This gives me a 1, and I end up with x equals negative 7. If I check this answer, check it over here, I have negative 2, but instead of x, I'm going to say negative 7 minus 5 over 3. That's a big over. And I want to see, does it equal 3? So let's go to our calculator, and we are going to type that in. We are going to try negative 2. Actually, I think we might have to put this whole top piece in parentheses. Let's find out. Where's the fraction? Oh, here's the fraction. Okay, so on the top, I'm going to do negative 2 times negative 7 minus 5. And on the bottom, I'm just going to divide by 3. And I can't see my answer. Let's get rid of this. There it is. It's 3. Perfect. Okay, so my answer over here, get back to our work. My answer over here is, yeah, I get 3. And that does equal 3. Check. What am I doing? Oh yeah, so x equals negative 7 would be the solution. So negative 7 is my solution, and you can keep working through these problems the same way.